Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, leather steering wheel, tachometer, steering wheel radio controls and driver airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.